So as a follow-up, I finally dug out the sump pit, about what, damn near a 3-foot trench. I still have the portable sump in there. You can see hooked up to the garden hose here, and it's still running. So it's definitely probably going to try to drown me out. Got some more, there's some 1.5-inch PVC because I have a Zeller, I believe it's an M53. It's supposed to be a pretty good model, one of the best models. Supposedly, don't know for sure. I'll figure it out. But yeah, all of the water problems that I was having before, you can see the flow. Not sure how well it's raining outside, but there's a nice little flow right here. Yeah, this is my crawl space. Water flowing. Wouldn't you know, just inside the crawl space entrance right here, when I came down earlier, I was gonna try to find out the source and location of all of this, the water, where it's coming in. Because previous videos showed that it was coming through the foundation in some areas. Well, the one area right here by the front, after I started digging around a little bit, I felt and saw this screen. So after digging around that and digging it closer, come to find out, I have a nice little drain tile here already set up. So my guess is it's a foundation drain tile set up to come into the crawl space, which that's a great idea, but to have it just end right here with no sump pump or anything, to just have the foundation water just come into this crawl space is just beyond me. So I'm not sure who the dumbass was who would have put that in here, or maybe when they installed it, you know, they told the homeowners at the time that you need to eventually put in a sump pit if things get bad. But anyway, so I'm gonna put in some drain tile here to go from that, try to connect it to here in some manner, bury it, and then send it right down the little river here in my crawl space, right over here to the sump pit. I've already dug it out, so the water's flowing fairly well now. And this little portable sump pump that I've had, once you plug it in, it just starts looking for water, and then it'll shut itself off. But every 2 minutes, it'll keep turning back on. Once it detects there's no water, but it'll still keep coming back on. Right now, it comes on less than 2 minutes because there was water the last time it turned itself on. So that's why it's continuing to cycle. Well, that's because there's just a ton of water in here. So that's going to take care of the majority of my problems. I just walked the foundation a little earlier, and most of the water's not coming along the edges anymore. So maybe by opening this thing up, whoever buried the damn thing before, maybe they were trying to prevent the water from coming in here, which was not a good idea. So all of that hydrostatic pressure was just up against the foundation. But you let the system do its job, this is what you get, which is, I guess my understanding is, from all the research that I've done, this is exactly what you want to see. Have the drain tile along the foundation, and then find a way to send it into the crawl space and then pump it outside. Ideally, you would live on a slope and you wouldn't have to do that. You could just run it away from the house. But my problem here in Arlington, Virginia, is you don't really have that problem unless you're on. Obviously, I'm not on a hill. I'm kind of limited in my options. But anyway, I will send another update once I get this PVC installed. Some drilling through floor joists, because once I make the run down here and get it out to the side, there's a vent way down there on the other side, which you probably can't see from the video, but that's my goal. Peace out.